Hi everyone, in my previous video I have shown you a simple trick to use background color changes on hover to highlight your content. Okay, and let's improve on that and let's continue to make your content more unique and highlighted. Here like this, in this demo section I have designed. Here I apart from the previous setting that I have done in my previous video, in this video I have added some border styles. Here at the top I have added some border colors, and I added border shadow in these columns. By adding these border colors, somewhat I can make this feature box unique. Here for example, center color is different from the other two, and I can show that this thing is different from others or more unique than others. So that's the importance of using these different colors. And when I hover on this column here, color changes on the background color changes, and two borders colors show off at the top and the bottom, and somewhat there is somewhat stretching animation. This animation is not the I add on this column. This animation is because of border size, increase in border size. Yeah, so here like this. Okay, so let me show you. Let's add a 3 column section, and let's add some fading at the top and the bottom, about 100 pixels, and let's add some background color, about a little gray color like this. Okay, and let's add icon box like this, and change the icon YouTube. Okay, change the title subscribe. Okay, like this. For the icon box, let's leave it is as it is, and let's work on the column. Here in the column, let's add some padding at the top, about 120 pixel and 120 pixel at the bottom. This is to make it look slimmer, and let's add some margin at the left and right of the column, and in the border, say let's add border shadow. Okay, like this. If you want to make changes in this horizontal and vertical and spread size, position, outline, and the things, you can do it, but I will leave it as it is by default. And let's add border color. Here, about 6 pixel at the top, and when hover, about 10 pixel at the top and 10 pixel at the bottom, and the color somewhat similar to like this, similar a pink red like this. Okay, and let's make the background color change on hover to pure white like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, and let's duplicate these columns, and let's delete the blank columns. Okay, so we can make this border colors different for each column or different for this middle column. So let's make difference, like make difference on this middle column in the border color. Let's choose this pink color like this difference, and one hover, let's change to okay, change the color to black like this, contrast to other two columns like this. Okay, here like this you can make by using the background color changes and border styles. You can make your design look beautiful and unique. Yeah. Most importantly, you can highlight your content. You can feature your important contents, your important points in this such settings. I hope this video is somewhat helpful in your design, and if you have any questions or doubts, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, and if you have any video requests, leave a comment or send me an email.